Today at Beauty Hackers, we're going to do a tutorial on the glitter, burgundy, embellished eye makeup from Red Velvet's CLIO. Hi guys, it's Iris here. Today we're going to try the 3 most noticeable looks from Red Velvet's music video of CLIO. These makeup looks can be worn daily or on special days. And keep in mind that we're trying to do a tutorial on how to do the makeup looks and not like a cover makeup. So please understand if we don't look 100% like the members of Red Velvet. We made these steps really easy, so don't worry and follow along. Irene's glitter eyes. The most important thing about Irene's glitter eye look is the orange base shadow and small sparkly glitters. Firstly, we're drawing eyebrows. And pick a color that's a lighter brown than your hair color. The point where the eyebrows begin is where your nostrils meet your eyebrow in a straight line. The arch is where the eyebrow meets the nostril and the end of your pupil in a straight line. Where the eyebrow ends is where the eyebrow meets the nostril and the end of your eye. So use this as the basic guideline, and from your arch, draw a line that goes slightly down. And draw them like you're filling out the empty spaces. Make a straight line in the front of your eyebrows and make it lighter towards the point your eyebrows start. Then brush it with a screw brush to set your eyebrow hairs and even out the eyebrow pencil. Glitters and glitter shadows blow off easily in time, so it's always a good idea to use an eye primer. For the eyeshadow, create depth on your eyes using matte pearlescent orange shadow. Apply it widely using a big brush on your lids and under eyes. And use a darker color and apply it on a smaller area to make it a gradient. And now we're getting into the glitter. We're going to use this glitter shadow that has big chunky glitters. We're going to mix gold glitter that's similar to the color of our base shadow and silver glitter. So in this picture, we can see that she put the glitter on the higher parts of her lids. If you do it like this, then the glitter shadows won't get cakey between your eyelids and stay on the eye really well. Apply the gold glitter around the center of your eyes on your top and bottom lids. Then, lightly tap the silver on top of it. For a clean look, we're going to use a black liquid eyeliner. Fill in the empty spaces between your eyelashes in a thin line, then create a little wing at the end. Curl your eyelashes and apply mascara. Being careful it doesn't go on your lids. Holding your mascara straight up might help prevent that from happening. And ta-da! Even if you don't have the exact same products, you can try this with products that are similar to these. This is the Irene glittery look. Now we're moving on to our second look, Joy's burgundy makeup that looked so good with the dreamy feel in the CLIO music video. For your eyebrows, this time we're going to use a darker brown color that's darker than the one that we just used. Draw it like we told you in our first look. We're going to use a red shadow that's the highlight of Joy's burgundy makeup. Apply onto a wider area, big enough for it to show when your eyes are open. Apply it widely on your bottom lid too, up to the corners of your eye. Then use a more reddish color on the outer corner and on the bottom lid and blend it out. The highlight of Joy's makeup look is the accentuated under eyes. Use a thin brow pencil to draw it, then use your fingers to blend it out. Unlike Irene's makeup with the wing, we're just going to fill in the waterline. Fill in between your eyelashes and end it at the end of the eyes. Curl your eyelashes and apply mascara. We're only gonna put it on the top lashes this time. We're done with this dreamy look, the burgundy eye makeup. If you put on a more natural lip color with this look, you could wear it daily. The makeup trend of 2020, embellished eyes. We're gonna move on to Yeri's makeup tutorial. The embellished eyes we talked about on What's Trending, as the 2020 makeup trends also came up on Red Velvet's CLIO music video. Draw a line following the natural shape of your eyebrows rather than going straight. Put a cream type silver glitter product on a screw brush. Putting too much can pile up, so apply it carefully like you're brushing the brows. Or you could use an angle brush to make it easier to apply. For the eyeshadow, we're going to use a grayish matte brown shadow. Use a thicker brush to apply it all over the lids. Make it visible when your eyes are open. Excluding the center, we're going to use a darker color at both corners of your eyes to create a gradation look. Use the same color to create depth on your under eyes. Then use a silver glitter shadow on your under eyes as well. For the eyeliner, we're going to stick to a straight line with a little wing. Curl your lashes and apply the mascara. To accentuate the glitter shadows on the under eyes, we're only going to apply mascara on the top eyelashes. Now, we're going to put on the gems, the highlight. We're going to use eyelash glue, so put a small amount of glue on your hand and we're going to put these one by one. Apply it on your eyelid just enough for it to show when your eyes are fully open. Put one on the center of your eyes, another one at the end, then fill it out. I'm going with 4. We're done with this look, perfect for holidays. So, did you guys like the 3 makeup looks from Red Velvet's Psycho music video? Personally, I think I like the first one best because it was like so bling bling. What makeup looks are you guys curious about? Tell us in the comments below and maybe we'll feature it in the next episode of Beauty Hackers. Until then guys, take care. Bye bye!